Sometimes we just need to get smart about staying cool, and this is one of those times.
Central air conditioning isn't always a possibility or isn't always practical or needed for every home or family. Whether you're renting or just not ready to make a central air investment, there are energy efficient solutions that can make a dent in that summer heat.
A smaller single-room air conditioner might make sense for your cooling needs. Many options are available, including some with smart home integration features that make operation easy and efficient. Let's look at some of the details that you should consider.
BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. The BTU capacity of the appliance you choose needs to be sufficient to cool the space. A general guideline is to use 20 to 25 BTUs per square foot of your room. For example, a 500 square foot room would require a minimum of 10,000 BTUs. Your average 120 to 150 square foot bedroom would require less BTU capacity for efficient cooling.
Speaking of efficiency, you should look for air conditioners with a high energy efficiency ratio, or EAR. An EAR of 8 or higher is generally considered good, but aim for 12 or more for the most energy efficient models. The beauty of a portable unit like this is that it can be placed in at any time. Easily movable venting means any room with a window or exterior door is an option for placement.
This window-mounted option has all the features we've discussed, including being pretty affordable at just under $300. We can install it with just a few tools and a 4-step process. The tools you may need are a Phillips head screwdriver, a ruler or tape measure, knife or scissors, a pencil, a level, and a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit.
We're going to install a unit in this double hung window behind us. Instructions may be different for other styles of windows, and so you'll need to make sure your new AC unit is compatible with the size of your window opening. The support parts of the unit will need to be fastened to firm wood, masonry, or metal. Make sure you're choosing a window with an outlet in reach of the cord too.
Next, we need to prep the air conditioner. Install the top mounting rail and slide the side panels into the side panel rails on either side of the air conditioner. The side curtain guides should then slide into the frame to provide support that filled the space to each side of the unit.
Now it's time to place the air conditioner into the window. Measure the width of the window and mark the center point for reference. Set the air conditioner in the window, making sure the bottom mounting rail is firmly against the edge of the sill. Bring the window down so the top mounting bracket is in front of the window. The unit should be level in the window, side to side, and tilting back just slightly to the outside. Extend the curtain panels until they fill the window. Use your drill bit to drill pilot holes and then secure the curtain brackets with screws.
Finally, install the window locking bracket and the foam top window gasket. Cut the foam gasket insulator to the width of the window. Stuff the foam between the glass and the top of the window frame to create an air seal. This will prevent warmer air, dust, and bugs from entering through the gap. Installation details may vary somewhat between models. Be sure to follow all included directions for installation, app setup and operation, and you'll be ready to cool in no time.
Using the tools that make sense for your PowerHouse is the best way to stay energy aware. Get more tips at PowerHouseTV.com or AlliantEnergy.com.
ENERGY STAR certified room air conditioners can help you keep cool and save energy. Depending on the product class, an ENERGY STAR certified unit will use approximately 23% less energy than comparable units and on average cost about $70 per year to run.